Hi everybody, I'm John Daly. I'm going to be presenting at PMI's Global Conference in Berlin, Germany in 2018. I'm currently a director at Cisco Systems within our global PMO organization, which is comprised of about 1,200 project and program managers from around the world. And one of the things we're really focused on and interested in is what's happening in the future of how we're executing work and project and program management and making sure we're preparing ourselves for the future, both from an organizational perspective and a personal development perspective. And these are the things that you're going to learn about in my session. So what am I going to talk about? Well, I'm going to first talk about what's happening with the world around us. I'm going to talk about many items and topics around the fourth industrial revolution, also referred to as digitization. So as an example, by 2021, there's going to be 3 times more devices connected to the network than there are people. And I'm going to talk about what this means for every vertical or horizontal that exists out there. So I'm going to talk about what's happening in technology and how it relates to the business. Then I'm going to talk about what that means for our world. What does that mean to how work is being performed? Millennials are now entering 50% of the workforce. They're growing to 75% over the next several years. And what does that mean to how we're engaging and how we're delivering work? And of course, as project managers, what does that mean for us and how we're managing projects? So we're all probably aware of a lot of moving from waterfall to more agility due to the fast-paced, ever-changing environment around us. But there's a lot more we need to think about in terms of customer intimacy, and that can be internal or external, and how we're engaging and managing projects and teams. And finally, one of the most important topics probably that I'm going to talk about are what are the skill sets that you're going to need as a project manager for the future. And the future is not a decade away, but I'm just talking a few short years away to make sure that you are relevant and you have the right skills to be successful. Or if you run a PMO organization, what do you need to develop your teams for to remain relevant to support your customers and your internal teams? So I really hope you can join me. Very interesting topic, very strategic, and it'll absolutely benefit you and give you the value that you need to prepare for the future. So I hope to see you there in Germany. Thanks a lot.